meet you, Carol.
I'm your biggest fan! I love you!
Yeah, that's really nice. Anyway, so today we have some Ask Gabber questions today from your biggest fans, you know? I heard you wrote your autobiography.
Yeah. It's called Gabber.
Oh, I'm sure it's a very, very good book. Anyway, so here's the first question. My dog always poops in my house. What should I do?
What do you think?
Oh, I was asking you that, Gabber.
Oh. Well, clean it up!
Oh, that's a very good answer. I was hoping for something else though, but anyway, here's the second one. It's a fill in the blank, okay? So, here it is. Justin Bieber makes me wanna blank. Okay, I think that's a scream, right?
Yep.
Anyway, so, thank you. That's all our Gabber questions for today. So, that concludes another week's episode of
TJ's Jokes and Riddles! Bye, everybody!
That's my job.